Good morning, Year 2. We're on maths for Friday. Today we're comparing numbers up to 100. The other day you did numbers up to 50. However, we're going to stretch that today and we're going to go up to 100. Okie doke, let's get going. So in each bag of lollies, there are 10 lollies. Let's pop it down there. The number 10, a 1 and a 0. So there's 10 in each. What sign, because today we are going to be using the crocodile signs a little bit more, what sign do I need to put in my circle to make this correct? So obviously on this side, there are more objects, but you've got to think that in each bag, there are 10. So if I was you, what I would do just to double check that my answer is correct, I would write the number underneath. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or if we're doing it even quicker, I'd say, right, there's 5 bags, there's 10 in each, 5 times 10 is 50. Because now you're in Year 2, you need to be thinking of these strategies that are enabling you to answer the questions a little bit more speedier. And then obviously we've got 10, 20, but then you've got your single lollies too. So you've got 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on that side, even though there looks to be more objects, there's still only 26, everybody. So obviously this side with the 50 lollies is the greater amount. Therefore your crocodile sign needs to be open, its mouth needs to be open on that side there. So that's correct. Then if we have a look at this one, for this one I have copied over Numicon because you have got a question or two in your work today. Which way does the crocodile sign need to go on this? Step 1, count them up. So on these Numicons, there are 5. You're great at counting in 5s. So I just go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Or like I said before, you could think, right, there's 7 lots there. And I know that 7 times 5 is 35. However, on this one, we have got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 in each, and there's 3. And we know that 3 times 10 is 30. So this side has the greater amount. Therefore, again, your crocodile sign needs to be open that way. Yeah? Back to base 10, right. So we've got a full 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then, bit of a tricky one. Well, maybe not that tricky. You've got another 10 and then you've got 4 ones. So don't let questions like these trip you up. Those amounts are equal, they are the same. So that means we need to use, not a plus sign, an equal sign to show that each side is the same, even though they're set out differently. Obviously on that side, I've done my 4 ones in a straight line. And then on this side, I've done them sort of in 2s. So just make sure you're checking the question first. Then, as well as questions with sort of your visual prompts, like your base 10 and your Numicon, you have also got some of these. So it says complete the statements using greater than, so that means bigger than, less than, or equal to. So 35 is than 89. We know that 35 is less than 89 because 35 only has 3 10s, whereas 89 has 8. And we know by now, don't we, that 89 is a bigger number. So 35 is less than 89. Then on this one, we've got 82 is than 64. So 82 is greater than. And then for this one, everybody, you need to do a bit of adding up. So 12 is 8 add 4. So firstly, I would figure out what 8 add 4 is, lock 8 in your head and count up 4 if you need to, or if you can just do it mentally, that's fine. So 8 add 4 is 12. Therefore, you need to be putting that these are equal. So 12 is equal to 8 add 4. Right, I just wanted to talk through this question with you that you've got, because I don't want you to think, oh my goodness, they're big numbers to add, because honestly, you are fine with this. You need to do maybe a little bit of working out, just to maybe help you along. I'm going to go over, let me just get my highlighter pen. Oh, that is close. I'm just going to go over this one. So your 70 add 28. Obviously you're adding 7 lots of 10 and 28. You can set it out this way if you like. Move that over, make sure your numbers are aligned. And that one there, well, that's quite a chunky line, but not to worry. So easy peasy. All you need to do is add them up this way. So I'm going to try my very best, although this pen is difficult to use. You always start with your ones. So 0 add 8. Try my best to make it neatish for you. Is 8. And then 7 add 2. 9. So that is going to be 98. Therefore, this sum is greater than 90. So your crocodile sign, tricky to do that, needs to be on that side. Try your best with these. Obviously as well, if you don't want to do the column addition, for these, you could just literally count up in your tens. So right, 23, and I need to add 30, which is 3 more 10. So 23, 33, 43, 53. So you're adding 3 more 10s, yeah? It's not as tricky because there are multiples of 10. Right, everybody. Try your best today with your comparing numbers. And I hope you have a lovely rest of the day. Thanks, everybody.